Even because now when you go deeper now in the second part, we will add a file, text file, without any sensitive information, and it can be uploaded. And we will add later on a sensitive information. You will see DLP detect the file directly. Okay. Now I will connect the USB drive. Connect it to the virtual machine. Yeah, you can see now I have the USB drive. And let's copy file. Now, if I copy the image, everything normal. I will also copy another image. This is a JPG. I will show the extension anyway. View and show the extension. Yeah. Now BMP is allowed, but JPG is not allowed. If you can see on the JPG, there is the black icon. Now let's try to copy it. Paste. It's blocked. Even if I want to try test, it's blocked. Now let us try something more realistic one. So I will second, it will not apply if you don't have the policy. So now I will delete this policy. Now I'm going to delete this policy. It will be removed from the client. So if you don't have the policy, now let's go and create a new. I deleted everything.
The policy.
Yeah, I deleted the policy. I deleted the rule. So I will create a different rule actually now. See, it can be copied to the file. Because I deleted, now I can't copy the text. I can't copy JPG. Yes. See, it's copied, and it can't be uploaded. So because the policy has been deleted. Yeah. Now I will create different rule. It's just okay. I will create a new rule. Everything clean. Now create rule with keyword matching. It's mean any words you find it. I'm talking to the DLP. If you find any words in these files, block the file to be leaked. Okay. So okay. So now how I can tell the DLP the rule. Okay, which keyword? Sorry. So I have to create an Excel file. I will share my Excel screen to show you what usually we do. Now I'm sharing the Excel. I will put the screen smaller. Okay. Now I will put some keywords. Okay. For example, if you find some any keyword like secret, not confidential, maybe Samir. Okay. If any file contains Samir, this is confidential. Okay. This is don't leak it. Okay. Top secret, whatever. All right. So any words, I will put it in an Excel file. It's just one column, and save it as an Excel sheet. All right. I saved the file. Now I will copy it actually because this is Excel on my on my real computer. So I will now let's copy the file here, the Excel file. I will copy it from my machine to the lab to the server. Okay. Now I'm telling the server, the DLP, take this file. Okay. These words. Sorry. It needs CSV. Okay. I'm sorry, DLP. Okay. You have to save it, not XLS. You have to save it as a CSV. You know how to do it, right? File, save as. I will share my screen again, just to be clear. Yeah. So you have to go to File, Save As, and change here the type to CSV. CSV. All right. You have to save the file as this and copy it to the system. Okay, now let's copy the file here. Here, as you can see, I have the CSV file. Create the rule, keyword matching. Now, whatever I will put, okay, browse, select book one. Okay. Now here you have the option for case sensitive. Okay, so it's better to keep it off, because if you make it on, so top, if for example if top is capital and I didn't put it in the file, it will gone. So keep it case sensitive off. And here minimum word matching, keep it as minimum as you can. Okay, so at least one word from these keywords block the file. Yes, that's why case sensitive I keep it off.
Okay.
You have to keep it off, so the lowercase and uppercase, it doesn't matter. But here the count, I put, for example, now here 3 words: secret, top secret, Samer. Okay. Now if I put here 2 words, so if the file contain it should be minimum 2 of these 3 words. Okay. If it's containing 1 word, it will go, no problem. So I have to put 1. So at least this is the more secure. So I press save. Now click save. Sorry, I have to name it here. Now let's deploy this this policy to the computers. Next. Okay, audit, no problem. Block. Now if you can see, I don't care about the extension file. Everything is allowed except the file which has these keywords. So I'm blocking everything, but they can't upload, they can't do anything. Let's see here and save. Not only the file name, anyone can rename it, but any file which containing these words, so it will be blocked. It should be giving me a message, but let's see. I don't know if it's deployed or not, but it said here 100%, so it means it should work. Now, let's create a file, text file. Okay, it will contain. Okay, see, I didn't. Now it's entered because it's scanning. What is the file? Okay, now I will type, hi, this is a test file. Okay, and exit the file. Save it. I have the data here. Everything okay. You see, there is no black icon. So let's try to copy it to the USB drive. Right click, copy, paste. Okay, everything working fine. Now I will create another file. Hi, this is a secret file. Okay, it's containing secret. Save. Now let's try to copy it. Sometimes this icon will not appear right away, but let's try to copy it. Paste. See, it's blocked. It's the same extension. See, now the icon appeared because it's containing a word that I blocked. And now the rule applied for everything, for uploading online or printing or anything. Kind. Our regards, Samer. Okay, I put the S capital, okay, for the case, okay. Now I will delete this file anyway, because this is the old one. Let's copy this. Blocked. See, and the icon appeared, the black icon. You can see?
Yes.
All right. So this is how the engine works. Any file you are doing on the PC, it's controlled by the agent, and it's sending right away to the server. Now I want to show you the last thing here. In the home screen, if you remember, there is a file we reported as a false positive. Here in the admin panel, you can see here false positive rule was reported in PC1. So when you click on it, it will take you to the page and you can see the details. So you can see the report. So maybe sometimes as the administrator implement the policy with by mistake they added more secure, they added some extensions wrong, they add something wrong, so they can see this is maybe this is mistake, so I have to tune the rule. So let's go here to now guys, as I told you, the we have the false positive report, so I can here tune the rule. Let me show you this section, because this is the final part. Yeah. Sorry guys, now let's go to DLP. Now go to policies and policy deployment. You can click here on the group, on the work group, and you can see here the how many computers that inside this group, and you can see here the report. Actually, because I deleted the file, so it's deleted the report. I'm sorry. But anyway, in the session, you can see this this error. But anyway, let's report one now. Let's report one now. Report. Wait until the report appeared, because here we can modify the rule and depending on what's happening. Maybe it will take some time to appear here, but here you will see the report, and it will ask you, do you want to keep the file blocked, or you want to tune and change the rule depending on the result? So you can modify the rule a little bit, maybe put the case sensitive, maybe put some remove some words, add something, remove something, so you can tune the rules as the work. I'm sorry, but maybe it will take some time. I don't want to spend more time about this. Now, when you create the rule, you can go to finance. For example, Visa card, American Express, and MasterCard. Okay, 3 numbers. This is cards. Click on save. Now you have to deploy this policy. Go to policy deployment, associate policy, select. Oh, sorry. I already have the group here, so let's go to the work and apply a new rule. Click next. So we have to deploy this, the previous one and this one. Next. And now I have to be clear. Who asked about the credit card? Now I created the rule, but here I have to deploy it on the computers. So you have 2 choices: create a new computers group and deploy this this policy, because maybe it's different way. Maybe you want to audit, not blocking. Okay, I will show you this. Thank you for asking this. As you know, when I'm associating the policy here, I told the DLP the work group that containing PC1, I'm applying this rule, and what you will do, block these everything. Okay, now if the card rule applied also the same rules, so I can put both here in the same policy. Okay, but if it's different, for example, now I have the card, it should be blocked, but the documents, for example, just audit. Okay, different. So you have to create another computer group. So I will show you this in quickly. Okay, I will click cancel. I created already the rule, the data classification rule. Now go to the admin, create a custom group, create a group here. Computer. Now let's say this is cards. You can name it whatever, and this is the PC. Save. Now go to the policies, and I will deploy the policy to the same computer, but was different rules. Now here I'm applying the cards now. Block, for example. Okay, block uploading. Okay, maybe it's allowed to go for file storage. You can keep it, whatever. Okay, I will continue. By the way, we have the false positive. I want to show you the report. As you can see here, the false positive. Once you click here, it will tell you the more details. Which one who report, what is the keyword, what is matching, and this is false. The case sensitive is false. Okay. Now you can ignore it. So you will keep the rule. You can remove the rule. So maybe you made a mistake. So you can remove the rule, or you can fine tune. It's mean you can modify the rule, so it will and you tell the employee continue. You can upload it. You can do whatever you want. Now it has been uploaded. Okay, let's go and create a file. False positive. False positive. It's mean now the admin apply a rule and it's applied on you, but this file you are sure this file can be transferred. Okay, so there is a mistake in the rule. So you are reporting the administrator to change the rule, and you can continue your work. This is the how it's way. Okay, now guys, I will create. Actually, this is the first time I'm trying this rule, the visa. Let's try it together. I will create real. Okay, create real one. It's disposable card. Real Visa card. Okay. So, and you can steal it, no problem, because I will destroy it after we finish. Okay, now I will put the file, the file card number now 65. Anyway, as I told you, don't confuse yourself. It's not your job to go in details about this, but there is a possibility to block Visa card and these kind of things. So just explore explore. You have a lot of, see here, source code. You can block source code to be leaked. It will detect the format of like C#, assembly. If you are a development company, there are a lot, but just explore it. Okay, health, finance. Okay, guys.